If you've ever had problems understanding tables in Roblox Studio, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what tables are and how to use them properly. So let's get right into it. So a table is just another type of data that we can store in variables, just like numbers or strings. So the way you create a table is like this, with those two squiggly brackets. Now you may look at it and wonder, what is this? And this is a table. Exactly like real life, we can put on it certain stuff like plates and food. But here we can put numbers or even strings. But the thing that differentiates a table from a number or a string is the fact that it can store multiple values, like strings, even numbers. We just need to separate them by a comma. Another thing that we can do with tables is accessing its values. So behind the scenes, a table has addresses, or more professionally, indexes. So the first address has the value 10. The second address stores the string hello, and the third stores the number 5. So the way we access a table's value is like this. We write the name of the table, then we put square brackets, and inside we put the address. So for example, the first address. And the value of this will be 10. So let's print it. And we got 10. And the last feature about tables that we will cover in this video is changing an address value. So if I want to change this to a 10, we will just do this. My table at index 1 is equal to 10, but as a string. So let's print it again. And we got 10 as a string. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please consider subscribing and giving us a like. Thanks for watching.